Hi everybody! Hi ATM! Ako po si Kalad Karen.
UP Samascom is the premier student academic performing organization in the University of the Philippines based in the College of Mass Communication. We are dedicated to fostering a vibrant community of students who are passionate about media, performance, and the arts. Our organization is known for its flagship production called Live Aids, ang istoryang dinevelop ng Samascom, and has become an iconic tradition for the past 3 decades. Live Aids is celebrated for its sharp wit, bold political commentary, and engaging performances reflecting the immense talent and creativity of our members. UP Samascom prides itself on the culture of collaboration and excellence, and we bring together generations of students to create groundbreaking works that both challenge and entertain. Through various activities, workshops, and productions, we continue to be a dynamic organization, forcing and shaping future media leaders. Thank you, and we look forward to sharing more about our organization and Live Aids with you today.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome from UP Samascom Batch 2K17.2, Mrs. Tan!
Hello po, good morning! Ayan, ako po pala si Mrs. Tan. Cute lang, gangster lang, char. Ganun! Tapos, actually, dito ako nag-start mag-drag talaga sa UP Samascom. Mark Batista pa yung una kong pangalan. Understudy pa lang ako nun. Hanggang ilaga ako nun. Tapos, sino mag-aakala, di ba? Gaganda din pala ako na prayers. Ganun. Kaya thank you po.
Best Supporting Actress of the Metro Manila Film Festival, the first trans woman news anchor of the Philippines, the VP Choice Awards 2024 News Anchor of the Year, a TV host, endorser, LGBT rights advocate. She is also a magna cum laude graduate from the UP College of Mass Communication, a writer and performer of past Live Aids shows. Ladies and gentlemen, from UP Samascom Batch 2K6.2, the one-woman wonder, Kalad Karen!
Thank you very much for being here and thank you so much for your support para po sa pagbabalik ng Live Aids. Ako po muli si Kalad Karen at nais ko pong sabihin sa inyo that Kalad Karen was born in Live Aids. Wow. The mother is UP Samascom. The father is Greenace. The father, of course, is Oblation, the University of the Philippines. And all I can say is that these institutions made me who I am today. So I've always been thankful for all the learnings, for all the gratitude, hard work that UP Samascom and Live Aids have instilled in my heart. And I will be forever grateful para po sa organization na ito. At sa pagbabalik ng Live Aids, nagpapasalamat po kami sa inyong lahat, sa inyong suporta, because we've always believed that the laughter goes on. So mabuhay po ang Live Aids, mabuhay ang UP Samascom. Thank you!
We all need a laugh. Ang hirap ng buhay. Being a Filipino at this time is really challenging. So, it's about time na tumawa naman tayo. So, what we wanna do, we wanna take the social issues, the political clownery, the current atmosphere in our country, and we wanna create comedy out of it. So, the title of the show is Live Aids, Hysterical Revisionism, kasi we wanna take chapters from our history, the right side of history, and make a spectacle out of it. So, in short, if historical revisionism is an erasure, hysterical revisionism laughs at its face and telling them na we do not forget. We remember so well na kaya naming paglaruan at gawing katatawan ito kasi we do not forget.
So, ATM, I am Mrs. San. Ang una kong role sa Live Aid ay isang drag queen na asawa ng org ko. Nakakaloka. Mark Batista. Actually, sa Live Aid ako unang nag-drag. Diba? Nung una kasi, hindi ko ina-expect na kaya ko palang gawin lahat. From costume, to makeup, to everything, to performance. But with Live Aids, oh my God, it changed my life and it made who Mrs. Tan is today. Siguro ang unforgettable moment ko sa Live Aids, ang unang dip ko at kung gaano kalakas yung palakpakan ng mga tao. Kasi hindi ko in-expect na ganun pala yun, na may chance pala na maging star ako. At dahil sa UP sa Mascom, naramdaman ko na my dreams can be possible.
Alam mo, ang pinaka hindi ko makakalimutang role ko, Live Aids 25, it was the silver anniversary. In-impersonate ko si John Lapus. Meron siyang show dati sa GMA, yung Showbiz Central, yung Don't Tell a Lie, may segment siya din eh. Yung parang, it's a lie, tapos sasayaw siya. Uy, nagkakabistuhan na, nagsisinungaling ka. Yun yung kauna-unahang kong malaking role sa Live Aids. In-impersonate ko si Sweet. At napanood ni Mama Sweet yon. So, nung bata ako, sabi niya sa akin, oh my God, first time kong may nag-impersonate sa akin. Tapos tuwang-tuwa siya. So, hindi ko makakalimutan yon. And then, of course, my favorite character is Kalad Karen. Ang pinaka-gusto ko, mag-opening monologue. Kasi you set the mood, tapos ikaw yung unang lalabas, so may element of surprise, and at the same time, tapos ka na, yung first part ka lang. Hindi ka na maghihintay ng part mo kasi nakaka-pressure mauna sa mga ganitong klaseng palabas, pero mas nakaka-pressure pag huli ka eh. Kasi yung mga tao, ang tagal na nung tinawa nila, so what else can you offer to them? Live Aids ay isang palabas na punong-puno ng tawanan. We advocate social change. Diba? We always are socially relevant. Pinag-uusapan namin ang mga issues ng lipunan sa nakakatawang paraan. So kung mahilig kayo manood ng mga TikTok na nakakatawa, ito napakahabang TikTok video na to na mapapanood po niyo.
Hi guys! Manood po kayo ng Live Aids sa July 5, 6 at saka 7. Bumili na po kayo ng ticket. Punta lang po kayo sa page ng UP sa Mascom to see the details.
Hello everybody! Ako po si Kalad Karen. Iniimbitahan ko po kayong manood ng Live Aids 34. Hatid po sa inyo ng UP Samahan ng Mag-aaral sa Komunikasyon or UP sa Mascom, happening on July 5 to 7 sa Cal Theater. See you there! Mwah!